Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to import your Coinomi wallet to MetaMask. To do so, firstly you'll have to go to your Coinomi wallet app. Once you open your app, you'll have to first make sure that you have logged into your Coinomi app. If you do have an account, then you may proceed and tap on the icon at the top left corner. This will open a bar from the left side of your screen. Here, right below Coinomi written at the top, you can see default wallet. You'll have to tap on the arrow beside default wallet. Here, at the bottom of the bar, you can see manage wallets written in blue. You will have to tap on that. Once you're under manage wallets, you can see default wallet written, and right beside it, you can see the 3 vertical dots. You'll have to tap on the 3 vertical dots, which will open a bar from the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll have to tap on Wallet Backup to look at your recovery phrase. You will require your recovery phrase to import your Coinomi wallet account to MetaMask. Once you tap on that, here you can see that your wallet is locked. As a result, you'll have to enter your password, then tap on the unlock button. This will unlock your recovery phrase. You can look at your recovery phrase here. You will have to make sure that you do not share your recovery phrase with anyone. You are supposed to keep this private. Once you copy your recovery phrase, then you may go back. Now, you may go to your MetaMask app. You will have to make sure that you haven't logged into your MetaMask account. If you have, then you'll have to log out to import your Coinomi wallet. Once you're in this page, you will have to tap on import using secret recovery phrase to import your Coinomi wallet to MetaMask. Once you tap on that, here, right on the secret recovery phrase text box, you will have to paste your recovery phrase that you just copied from your Coinomi wallet app. Then, right on the new password text box, you'll have to enter your new password. Once you enter your new password, then you will have to retype your password on the confirm password text box to confirm your password. After that, you may just tap on the import button, and this will simply import your Coinomi wallet to MetaMask. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.